Today is a beautiful 52 degrees out, and we've decided to take a break from working on the house and to come outside and get some chores done. So my wife, she's up at the front of the property cleaning out the chicken coop. She's taking the deep mulch out of the chicken coop and getting that all cleaned up and changed out. So how many mice have you ran into so far?
I just saw 2 brand new baby ones and one regular mouse.
One big one, and the baby ones, the chicken ate them?
Yes. I could see them squirming. They were the tiniest things I've ever seen in my life. There was no hair on them. They barely, the tail wasn't very long.
I had to fix a flat tire starting off, but come out here to the orchard so that I can fertilize all the fruit trees. I've got some wood chips that I chipped up last fall. I'm going to go ahead and take those wood chips. We're going to go ahead and put new mulch around all the trees, and then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do my winter pruning of the trees. It is, I think it's about the 4th of March. I'm getting a little late doing it. But I'm going to go ahead and get my pruning done. So let's get started. So to fertilize the fruit trees, I'm just going to use a general purpose fertilizer. This is the bag that I happen to have open right now. And I'm going to be using just a solo cup. So I'm going to take a solo cup full and I am going to spread it around the base of the tree. And then we'll come back and we'll start putting the mulch over on top of it. Had to get another bag of fertilizer. We'll go ahead and cut off these suckers before I mulch it. This is an apple tree. I'm gonna go ahead and keep these little apple branches and give them to the rabbits. I heard they like chewing on them, so I'm gonna try it out, give some to the rabbits. See, this they call a water shoot. Anything that comes straight up, so they normally don't produce apples. Well, that was a fail. I'm gonna have to sharpen these things. What do you think of that crap? That still looks pretty big to me. Pretty full. May just take this off. There we go. That seems awful brutal. I took that center one out.
You couldn't even tell.
Yeah, if you weren't watching, you might not have been able to tell. So you're supposed to be able to throw a hat through it. So, let's try the hat cam. Hey, I got it. Well, this is one more thing off the to-do list. Pruning the orchard is normally a winter activity, and there's only a couple weeks left in winter, so I was running out of time. Here in 2-3 more weeks I'll be ready to start I think growing seeds indoors. I'll be starting to grow some peppers and some tomatoes, getting those seeds started, and then I'll be trying to get the garden going. I got a lot of things planned for the garden this year, and need to start getting it all ready, and some of the cooler weather crops like onions and potatoes, and I'll be able to get them in the ground here pretty soon. So looking forward to that. Ready for winter to be over, ready for spring to get started. Thanks for watching.